Hi, hello, Namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal. The excitement for the Indian Premier League 2026 is at its peak. But even before the tournament begins, teams are already making big changes. Yes, we are talking about replacement players. And this time, injuries and player unavailability have forced multiple teams to rethink their squad. So far, 6 major replacements have already been announced. Some players have been signed for crores while others have come in at the basic price. Let's break it down. Starting with Kolkata Knight Riders. The team has made 2 important replacements. First, Navdeep Saini comes in as a replacement for Harshit Rana. He has experience with 30 plus IPL wickets and joins the squad for rupees 75 lakh. Then KKR also replaced Akashdeep with Saurabh Dubey, a left arm bowler picked at a base price of rupees 30 lakh. So clearly KKR is trying to strengthen its bowling options with smart budget friendly choices. Moving to Gujarat Titans, they have brought in Kulwant, a left arm pacer, for rupees 30 lakh. He places Prithviraj Yara, who is ruled out due to injury. This is again a low cost but strategic move. Now let's talk about Chennai Super Kings, one of the most consistent teams. They have signed Spencer Johnson as a replacement for Nathan Ellis. Johnson, who has already been part of IPL teams earlier, joined CSK for a solid 1.5 crore rupees deal. This is one of the higher value replacements so far. Next is Rajasthan Royals, and this could be a big change. They have signed Sri Lankan all-rounder Dasun Saka as a replacement for Sam Curran. Saka comes in for around 2 crore rupees, and while he is a strong player, losing Curran could be a major setback for the team. Coming to Sunrisers Hyderabad, they have also made a key change. David Paine replaces Jack Edwards and joins the team for 1.5 crore rupees. With his experience, SRS will expect stability in their bowling lineup. So, overall, we now have multiple teams, KKR, Gujarat, Chennai, Rajasthan and Hyderabad, making key replacements before the season even begins. Some teams have spent crores while others have gone with budget picks in lakhs. But the big question remains, will these replacements actually deliver, or will teams regret losing their original players? One thing is clear, IPL 2026 hasn't even started yet and the drama is already on. Now all eyes are on how these players perform once the tournament begins.